All right, boys. Rise and shine. It's Sunday morning. We're back on YouTube. We're making a video. I know. I haven't posted. So, I know the engine's out. There's no video. What's going on, Mark? Well, as most of you know, the engine was already prepped to come out. So, I just had the 4 bolts holding it in. And, yeah, my boy Matt stopped by yesterday. Shout out to him. I'll leave his links down in the description if I remember. But yeah, no, shout out to him. He came by with an engine hoist. We just plucked it, pulled it out. Only took a few minutes. He did leave me an engine stand because I've been crying I don't have one, and I haven't found one for a good deal. So he was like, "Here, if you use it, you use it. If you don't, you don't." Um, so yeah, the engine's out. It's fucking gross. I just happened to run out of gloves too, so we're gonna get dirty today. But I did already take the intake manifold off last night. I don't see anything down in there. Unfortunately, this car has never been deleted. Just the cat was deleted, so it's full of soot. Um, the intake's not too bad. I've seen worse. So, but yeah, no, the head's trashed. It's been, leaking oil. It had a bad turbo. It's been leaking diesel fuel. It's been leaking coolant. So pretty much in this video, I'm going to get the turbo off right now. I'm going to get the head off. Valve cover's already loose. Valve cover bolts already broke free, so I'm just gonna zip them out with a gun. And yeah, now then after we don't have all that weight on the head, then we will pull it off, and yeah, we'll see if there's any damage. I'm expecting there to be some damage in cylinder 1. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna work on getting this turbo off here. I got the feed line off. I got the steel braided line from when I did the turbo. Obviously you can see this fucking turbo is grody. So I'll clean it up all nice. This is probably gonna go in the Jetta. And we're gonna go bigger on here, try to make some good power. So let's see if these come loose with this. I doubt it, but we'll try. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna crack all those free. And I'm already having an issue with my oil return line. I can't get a second bolt. I just don't have the whatever equipment to get in there. So I'm probably just going to cut the steel braided line with a set of cutters. And yeah, but let's crack these loose and go from there. So yeah, I did try to loosen on the block, and I think the whole fitting loosened. So that's not going to work either. So I don't have the using an adjustable. I don't have many wrenches, but yeah, we'll get this bitch apart either way. All right, boys, so we got the 1756 off as well. So yeah, get these gaskets out of the way. This one wants to be a little stuck. That doesn't even matter. All right, so don't mind the oil line down there. I don't know if you can see that, but things happened, and yeah, we need a new one. So it is what it is. I've already loosened all these bolts, so we'll take this off. We'll set it to the side over here as well. If you own a Volkswagen and you don't have triple squares, then you don't actually Volkswagen. Alright, so I already have all the head bolts loose. It is a M12 triple square. So I'm just going to run these out. Alright, I need to invest in the camera because this working on the phone sucks. I hate it. So anyways, heads off. Don't know what I'm looking at. Not an engine builder, but I see that one open, but I don't see any damage here, which is awesome. I know you're going to see the rust. That's my stupid ass running regular water in it. But, yeah, no, I don't see nothing crazy in the pistons here. Everything looks according to plan. So, yeah, no, this is a really good sign. So, yeah, I'm obviously going to need a head gasket. I'm going to need head bolts. I'm going to need a timing cover. I'm going to need a timing belt kit. Definitely gonna need some hoses. I guess I'm gonna keep breaking this thing down more. I don't know. I'm gonna go talk over to the boys over in Thomaston, see if they want to look at my shit here and give me some advice on the route I should go. I guess for the best budget friendly way possible, because it's just a fun street car. That's all it is. It was my daily. It's my first TDI, so yeah. But yeah, no, this is really good news. Really good news. So I'm super stoked. I did seen some motors lined up on marketplace, but yeah, no, I think we'll be okay here. So figure it out. No rush. Let me get this cleaned up. That's all I wanted to know. I just wanted to know how that bottom end was. I want to know how that head was, even if I just had to buy a head. As long as those pistons are good, we're good. So yeah. Next up, probably get the tranny off, get the clutch off, get the flywheel off, get it on the stand, start cleaning. Yeah, cleaning, prepping, paint it, get ready to get it back in the car. So yeah. So yeah, I don't know how much more I'm gonna film today, but like that's like big dubs down in the comments, dude. Let me know. Are you hyped to see this thing back? Can we make 300 horsepower with it? And is it gonna survive? Stock internals. I'm not changing those fucking pistons. They look good. Unless a machine shop tells me differently, I'm not changing shit. I could probably threw a timing belt in it and drove the fuck car. So we're in this deep. The bay's gross. Everything's got to be clean. I'm deleting everything I don't want. We're losing AC. We're losing power steering. I'm going to loop the lines at the rack. I'm going to clean the whole bay, probably paint it. And I'm going to do it all right here at home. So, driveway boys, 2026, it's still alive. But, yeah, this is probably the best. If you can't tell, I'm stoked. This is like the best possible outcome. I was hoping to pull the head off and see a huge hole in the piston or some smashed up valves, but unfortunately, that's not the case. So I say unfortunately. Fortunately, that's not the case because that does save me a lot of money. So yeah, best way to get this car back on the road faster is you boys. You know, keep showing the love, keep following, and we'll get it done, dude. We'll get it done. We'll be back out ripping, making 40 fucking pounds of boost, dude, and not giving a fuck. So, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do your things, press your buttons, leave a comment, share it, fucking watch it. Don't just press the buttons anyways. But yeah, until next time, boys. Peace.